Hey guys, Rob from the Off-Grid Tiny House. Today, I'm going to be working on this power bank that you see here, this rectangle one that I just plugged in a power supply to. This particular power bank, the one with the silver on it, on top, was donated to the Off-Grid Tiny House from Primo, but apparently uh, this particular unit has lost too much of its electricity um, out of their battery cells in here, the 18650s. And you can see here this flashing light. When I go to charge the batteries, it won't do it. Normally the battery light will go all the way up and back down and all the way up and back down, but there it's just flashing, which means it's a fault code. And I now have to get into this unit and rip it apart and take it apart to repair it. I'm basically going to pull out the 18650 cells and put them in a do-it-yourself kit. So I'm going to carefully take everything apart here and go to town. Enjoy. Alrighty guys, so here I have the batteries, the 18650s in this charger, and this is a special charger that will do a numerous amount of batteries, and you can see it safely recharged each of the cells full, and now they can be used. So I'm going to go ahead and uh, make sure everything's fully charged. I just turned it on, showing you how much power it drained out of this bank, 42%. And here we go, guys. So I'm going to disconnect everything, pull the batteries, and I have, you're going to see a blue DIY power bank in a minute, similar to the green one that actually charged up and recharged these batteries. Here it is, the blue one. And you can get these online, guys. It's a power bank. Basically, it's just a little kit, and all you have to do is add your 18650 batteries to it. I see here on this particular thing there's a little bit of corrosion, so I'm just going to carefully scrape that off with a straight blade screwdriver. And then just double check. This one it looked like rust on the soldering joint. I don't know if it got wet or it was just random corrosion. I don't think it got wet though. So all the positives are on the top, everything's labeled, negatives on the bottom. The batteries are labeled in this particular case, so they just pop in there, and make sure everything's nice and tight and adjusted. Slide your batteries in, and once that's done, you obviously for this one I could add way more batteries, but in this case I'm just replacing the old setup with this one. This way the batteries are always removable. In case I have one cell that fails, I can always replace it and go from there. So you can see we have power, and I'm going to test the load. So there's an LED light built into these power banks, and yep, works great. There we go. So, and then the rest of this video I try to figure out how to shut down the LED light. So this was just a little fun project I had to do to save those batteries and basically reuse them for another power bank.